Now that we've installed the angle around the brickwork and across the top of the lintel, 10 millimeters away from the face of the wall, then we're ready to lift the screen in place and install it. So this thing can go back into the same place as the other screen was fitted, onto the angle or onto the building itself. Now we've got the screen placed up here on the window. We will screw through this section here into either the brickwork, the building itself, or some angle. And then once that's screwed in, we have plugs that will cover up those holes.